morning everybody, it's Teacher Alex here with another round of online English. I hope you're all well, safe and healthy at home. So now it's time to get into round 2 of online English, and this week's topic is all about English comprehension. Some of you may be wondering, what does that mean? So, what is English comprehension? Okay, let's break it down. Do you know what comprehension means? No? Okay, what about if I asked you guys to describe the term right now using English, could you tell me what comprehension means? Can you describe what comprehension means? Take a moment. Talk to the camera, talk to the people around you. Using English, try and tell me what comprehension means. Very good. Okay. Well done, guys. So, comprehension. What comprehension means is the action or capability of understanding something. With English, it's something that you've heard or read. So, for example, you might be given some questions about a movie scene you're about to watch. English comprehension means for this moment you are able to interpret what is meant by the questions and you are able to identify the correct answers. Okay guys, what you're going to see next is a role play at a restaurant. Try to observe everything that's going on and listen very carefully to what's being said. Afterwards, I'll ask you a question about something that happened in the role play and see if you can answer the question accurately.
Wow, that was amazing.
Yeah, the soup here is really yummy and delicious.
Good evening, gentlemen. I hope your appetizers were satisfactory. Are you now ready to order your next course?
Yeah, sure. I want some Italian food. I think I'll have fettuccine alfredo.
Lovely choice.
That sounds good. I think I'll have the steak, please.
Certainly. Great choices, gentlemen.
Oh, actually, I think I've changed my mind. I would like Italian too. Could I have lasagna, please?
Of course. I'll write that down now. Very complimentary of one another.
Thank you. We like to share our food.
I'll go put your order in right away. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so what did you understand from that role play? See if you can answer the following question about what you just watched. Don't worry if you don't get it. We'll go through the answers afterwards. Okay, right. Here's the question, guys. Which meal course did the waiter come to take? And here's your options. It's A, B, C. A is appetizers, B is main courses, and C is desserts. So, what do you guys reckon? Good, yeah. The answer is main course. Now, how do we get to that answer? So, finding answers, guys. There are many ways to identify answers to questions. I'm going to show you one way that makes finding answers possible, and this way is done by what we call elimination. Okay, the process of elimination, which means taking away what it is not in order to leave what it must be. Okay, so if we look at the answers, option A was appetizers. As we saw at the beginning of the role play, the waiter said, "I hope your appetizers were satisfactory." Now, the key words in this here are were, which is past tense, something that has already happened, already been, and appetizers are a small dish eaten before the main dish of a meal. So from what the waiter said alone, we can presume that the answer is not appetizer, because appetizers were used in the past tense. So we delete appetizer from our options. We can also note that the diners were talking about fettuccine, steak and carbonara. Now, a dessert, answer C, is a sweet eaten at the end of the meal. Most of you will know that fettuccine, steak and carbonara are not sweets eaten at the end of the meal, so we can take dessert out of our options. This then leaves us with one remaining option. Option B, the main courses. Therefore, the answer, main course, must be the correct answer, as it is the only remaining option. On a side note, main means the most important thing. So the main course is the most important part of your meal. A steak, carbonara, pasta, pizza, these are the most important part of the meal, not the sweet at the end and not the small dish at the beginning. There are many ways to find answers to questions. Process of elimination and looking for keywords are just two of these ways. For me, they're the easiest ways. For you, it might be another way. But if you want to give these ways a practice, here's some further practice for. There are many ways to find different answers to questions. You have process of elimination, you have looking for keywords. For me, these are two of the easiest. But for you, if you'd like to have some further practice with your English comprehension, I have attached a link to a video for you guys to watch in addition to a worksheet. The worksheet is full of questions that, in order for you to complete, will require both keen listening and observation skills, and will enable you to practice this means of extracting answers. Hopefully, guys, it will enable you to practice honing your skills through both elimination of correct answers and being able to note keywords within each question. Remember, guys, this is just for fun. We are not scoring you on any of these topics. It's just a way for you to practice using your English at home. Okay? If you feel up to it, give it a whirl. You can record your responses on your worksheet provided and send them back to me. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next week, guys.